Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, July 12th, and we're going to take a look at the ES and talk a little bit about why I traded this long today. Long on this bar, then out up here. So we had PPI, and one of the things we talked about yesterday was careful. We had CPI yesterday. PPI has potential to completely erase everything that happened after CPI, and that's exactly what we did. We've erased everything since then. It's now just about 1 o'clock, and I'm still long. I still have some longs anyway. A part of my position on in the ES. And one of the things I was looking at, though, that made this bullish, PPI comes out, ES drops. It's basically the exact opposite of what we did yesterday. We dropped and turned around and closed back up. Whereas yesterday we dropped, or we spiked and then turned around and closed down. So what this is called, this is a textbook, what we call a run on stop setup, where we have support down below it. It breaks through that support, knocks out all the stops down below there, finds that liquidity below that support where everybody has all their stops placed, and then turns around and reverses direction on volume. When that happens, it will often signal a reversal in the market. It's the same reason I traded longs in SoFi earlier this week. So we have a shooting star yesterday, same exact setup except bearish, and today we had the hammer for bullish, and this is on a 30-minute time frame. Once we had that set up, our trigger for the long is the break through the resistance zone. So call it 56.46 to 56.50. That's where these highs are all at from the past few days. So we know there's been sellers up in there. And if we could get through that 56.50 level, we should be clear to run back up to at least retest the resistance that we had yesterday, which is up around 56.85 or so. That worked out really well. We ran right up there. Now we have what's called a bull flag set up, and we're looking for another leg up here if we can break through previous price bars high. But overall, not a bad trade. Keep an eye out for this type of setup. When you have that run stops, when you break through support resistance and then turn around and go the opposite direction really hard, that's often a very strong opportunity for a trade. But that's all I have for you for today. Make sure you like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.